Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to manage the third-party accounts connected to your Bitget account. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now let's simply look at how to manage the third-party accounts. Initially, at the top right, you can see the profile icon right here. Click on it. And guys, this is it. This is kind of like our holy grail. Right now, what you need to do is simply scroll down. From here, what you guys need to do is simply click on the security button right here, just below orders. Click on it. And guys, this is it. Well, from here, you can add the passkeys and everything, especially focusing on the 2FA. But for now, I'm simply gonna scroll down till I see something called as third-party account management. And just below it, you can see the manage button. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, you can bind your Google ID, Apple ID, Telegram, MetaMask and Bitget wallet. You can do whatever you wish. For instance, I'm simply gonna connect my Google account right here. I'm just gonna click on set. Select the Google account that I want to connect to. And just give my confirmation. Now once you've done that, it might ask for your verification. Simply enter both of them. Once you've done that, simply hit on confirm and that is about it. That's how you link your account. Well, in case you want to change it, simply hit on the change button and just unbind it by clicking on yes. That is it guys. That is how you manage the third-party apps or simply the third-party accounts in your Bitget wallet. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time. Thank you.